Seafloor Inflatable Kayak. I'm not even gonna read the manual and see if I could figure it out without reading. Another one. I have the dual seat version where you could remove one of the seat to make a single person ride. This would be the air pump, the manual air pump, which you could use for your air bed, air mattress. Okay, this would be the container for the oar, and we have inflatable seats. We have 2 inflatable seats to be the oar. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Sea flow. Okay, let me call for my little helper for the manual air pump action.
Okay.
Quick air release valve. Close that first. Oh, it tells you step by step. Is that what it is? 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Each one means you could inflate air into, and the air won't come out, just like an airbag, which I'm very experienced with. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3 means you're gonna pump at these 3 locations to inflate each different compartment. That's also an added safety. In case one gets deflated while on water, you still have another two air pockets to keep you afloat. Now we have the air pump pumping.
好后悔，我应该要带那个板。
那个可能要打满一点，要不然坐下去。这个啊，这可以的。对了，我要给你先，这可以。先按那个。啊，所以这个哦，这个是 release。So。Okay, so what you need to do is to close each one. Ooh. Close each one and to pump air into this so that it doesn't so the air doesn't back out. Okay.
Maybe we should time it to see how many minutes it takes to inflate air pocket, air compartment number 1.
Move it, the air won't come out. Okay, so you remove the whole thing with different adapter for different size.
Yeah, here someone's going to.
This way you could pump different air intake.
Number 2, I'll do number 2.
Close this tightly after you inflate it. Feel for the firmness. Okay. Okay. The middle one goes in. This is our. Okay. So feel for the firmness. Make sure it's enough. Okay, how? Once you remove the top
Okay,
and
three.
not to remove the second one.
Three.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Remove the valve. So, So make sure you don't pull it out.
哦，第三个地方。
这个
And put the cap back on. So here we're going to the. You close.
close that.
You close your quick release knob tightly. The air cap to put in filler number 2.
Okay.
And here we have our second flow drop performer.
Which is the first
Of course, you could also perform with the traditional way, which is the manual. Oh no, I can't. Why?
头要稍微
要拉，对，压，不是，
哦，要压，
不是，
哦，要这样。
对，
Oh, okay. So keep in mind, if you don't press it, 没关系，再来，没有这个，这是上面。So this is the top compartment. He's inflating compartment number 3. The top compartment. So you would to inflate it manually, you would need to squeeze to allow that. That's how you release the air.
可以了哦。
Look at that.
OK， 好。你还有那个这个。
So once you let go, it shouldn't deflate because you're not squeezing. Okay, so this is a support for our front and back. I guess it adds buoyancy. While they're pumping the second seat, let's put in the first seat. That we inflated. So we have the strap. So once this goes in, or before you put it in, if you put these clips in, it becomes your seat where you could adjust the level of lean into wherever position is best for your body type. Now, okay, so that's the second one.
前后有分吗？
没有。
刚没有，一样的。
And
Okay, what else are we doing?
well, you're gonna set up the
Hey,
our oar.
our
啊，能走很远的。开始见面了。哎，这几个哦，有人来了。
Ooh. So I'm adjusting it. Ready for the last step, which is we have 2 pole and an oar. And these are, okay.
Yay!
Woohoo! And ready for some, oh yeah. Okay, come. Okay, you put your foot in. Try to find the balance. Let me back up. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! All right, ready? Pedal. You ready?
Jeffrey，你可以调你的椅子，让你自己舒服一点。
躺着坐好就好了，这样坐。
Alright, now where are they gonna
Am
go?
I too heavy?
go through the.
Hey,